introduce ECOBMaker's latest 3D printing machine, ECOBMaker Toy DIY 4-in-1 3D Printer. Toy DIY is a collection of 3D printing machine. It contains FDM 3D printing, dual color, and dual material 3D printing, CNC engraving, laser engraving, 4 functions. Toy DIY is an assembly-free device and ready to use with complete package of equipment. Its whole structure made by metal. The design of this machine is very beautiful and stylish. The one-arm X-axis design makes the whole machine smaller and more compact. Toy DIY is equipped with 4 tool heads for 4 functions, and the replacement tool head can be completed in just 30 seconds. FDM tool head supports our common 3D printing function. Printing accuracy can reach 0.1 millimeter or so. Unique nozzle design significantly reducing the drawing phenomenon. The unique FDM dual tool head supports the 3D printing of 2 color materials simultaneously and also supports the mixed 3D printing of the main material and the supporting material. Printing complex models can also easily remove support. Laser tool head can carve various patterns on boards, plastics, leather, cardboard, and other shells such as your mobile phone shell, toys, notepad, leather bag, etc. CNC tool head can engrave wood, acrylic, plastic, and other items for high-precision engraving. Toy DIY's print processing range reaches 180 mm by 180 mm by 180 mm. Fully automatic leveling platform, so you don't have to manually level it. 3-layer detachable heating bottom plate can effectively prevent the printing edge from warping. The unique design of soft magnetic plate can make sampling more convenient and does not damage the model structure. ECOBWare is a dedicated slice software for Toy DIY developed based on Cura open source slicing software. ECOBWare supports 4 tool head settings and model slicing. No need to use other special software. We will also continue to develop more powerful specialized software with a variety of functions. Toy DIY is a new multifunctional 3D printer designed for the creative realization of the creator.